Hey, could you please help me? I can't get it on properly. Is Lars gonna be wide?
I don't know.
Have engine oil?
Mm-hmm. Put the choke on.
Choke. Woo!
Alright, you're vlogging.
Okay. I'm a Honda 50 and I'm 5-year-old. This is a wall jump. If you don't know what a wall jump is, it's like a wall you go over. I crashed. Oh, what do you? Oh no! Think Lars got stuck. There's a water pit. Or you probably got stuck. On the 50. If you don't know. This is what I took behind the mud pit. Here is a berm. There used to be a berm here. There's not anymore. An advance. If you don't know, subscribe to that either my channels, even probably. Well, if and I'm on a Honda going around. It goes around Larsy because he has the loud truck. It's a dog. It is the dog's. What's it? Buy some more shares today. If you want it. Buy some more shares. If you don't do that, watch my in the next video where I race with a Rennen. What happened?
Oh, we had a little spillover.
Oh. You should let Klein out, Lars.
No.
Why? Let's go, Daddy. Look at there's a power truck, my friend Lars. We're at Wyden as he's a lineman. And this is a nice truck. There used to be a double right there. Not one anymore. Could I go fast through here again?
No, that's not a good idea.
I'll just go slow through here.
You can go slow. Yeah.
Okay.
Go fast.
Wanna race?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go! No, what happened, Rennen?
I took a wrong turn.
What?
I took a wrong turn.
You took the wrong turn?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Were you at least filming it?
Yeah.
Let me see. Stand up. Come here. You want to tell us what happened there?
Yeah.
What happened?
I had a little spin out.
A little spin out?
A little backfire.
A little backfire?
A big backfire.
You killed Daddy's leg. Maybe we go get some water?
And then wide.
Tell everybody about what happened.
I had a little backfire spin out. Well, you better get the big bike out if you want to beat me.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I gotta bring the big bag out to beat you?
Yeah. Why, Daddy?
And what, in neutral?
Yeah. There's Andy. Good bone. Tessa's taking the ground already.
What?
Tessa's taking the ground by herself.
Yeah.
I need help. It already unstopped. Just to go. I was mud bog and I was just like, maybe we can roll it back and then get out. Push.
What gear is it in?
It's in my gear. It's like applying first. Can't get out. Stuck. Wait, just do one more mud bogging, okay?
No.
Please.
The storm's coming.
Okay. I'll go the track way. Or just turn around.